In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font style in Notion. If you want your pages to feel more professional, more book-like, or more technical, Notion gives you 3 clean font options, and switching between them takes just a couple of clicks. I'll walk you through the exact place to make the change, what each style looks and feels like, and some quick tips to help you choose the right one for your content. Start by opening any Notion page you want to adjust. In the top right corner, you'll see a small 3-dot icon, often called the Page menu or the More Options button. Click it to open the Page Settings panel. In this panel, look for the section labeled Style. Right there, you'll see 3 choices: Default, Serif, and Mono. Click the one you prefer, and the entire page will update instantly so you can preview it in context. Here's what each option does. Default is a clean, modern, sans serif typeface that works well for most notes, wikis, and project docs because it's balanced and easy to read on screens. Serif introduces those classic book-style letter shapes, giving your page a more editorial or formal feel. Great for long-form writing, proposals, or anything where you want a touch of elegance. Mono uses a monospaced font where every character takes up the same width. It's ideal for technical documentation, code snippets, checklists, and tables where alignment and precision matter. This setting is applied per page, not across your entire workspace. That means you can customize the mood of each page independently. If you love a consistent look, simply repeat the same quick choice on other pages. If you're collaborating, everyone who opens the page will see the style you've selected, since it's a page-wide preference. And if you switch devices, your choice follows the page, so there's nothing extra you need to do. A few practical tips while you decide. After choosing a style, skim a few different sections of your page, headings, paragraphs, and any databases, to confirm readability. If you're mixing code blocks or technical notes into regular writing, Mono can provide clarity, but default often strikes the best balance for mixed content. For long reading sessions, Serif can feel comfortable and familiar, much like a printed article. That's all there is to it. Open the 3-dot menu, find Style, and choose Default, Serif, or Mono. Try each one, trust what reads best for your content, and don't hesitate to switch as your page evolves. Thanks for watching, and enjoy tailoring your Notion pages to match your style.